Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Women's Wellness Guide. Today, I will be explaining the most important aspects of breastfeeding, getting a good latch. Let's start with some straightforward steps and tips to ensure a comfortable and effective latch for you and your baby. Step-by-step guide. First, let's look at how to achieve a good latch. Step 1. Tickle your baby's lips with your nipple. This will help your baby open their mouth wide. Step 2. Put your nipple just above your baby's top lip. Ensure your baby's chin isn't tucked into their chest. Step 3. Put your baby's lower lip away from the base of your nipple. Baby's lips should be turned outward. Your baby should lead into the breast chin first, and then latch onto your breast. Your baby's tongue should be extended, and your breast should fill your baby's mouth. Now, how do you know if you've got a good latch? Here are some signs to look for. Number 1. You will notice the latch is comfortable and pain-free. Number 2. Your baby's chest and stomach should rest against your body, so their head is straight, not turned to the side. 3. You will notice that your baby's chin is touching your breast. 4. You will notice that your baby's mouth will open wide around your breast, not just the nipple. 5. Your baby's lips will turn out. 6. Your baby's tongue will also cup under your breast. 7. You will hear and see as your baby is swallowing. If you are still having trouble getting a good latch, try these tips. Find a calm place and assume a comfortable position. Hold your baby skin to skin. Hold your baby against your chest. Support your baby's neck, shoulders, and hips with your hands. Offer your breast, but let your baby find your nipple on their own. Remember, every breastfeeding journey is unique, and it might take a little time to get it just right. If you need more guidance or have a question, don't hesitate to ask in the comment below or reach out to a lactation consultant close to you. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with other new moms. See you in my next video.